Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to verify age on X, formerly known as Twitter. If you want to verify the age so you can get access to all kind of content, I'll show you how it can be done. So simply open the X app and after that you will see your profile icon on the top left side of the screen. Once you have clicked onto it, then you have to scroll down. You will see this option which is the settings and support. Click onto it and click on settings and privacy. Then all these options will come up. So from all these options you have to select the second option, which is for the security. You have to click onto it and after that you have to click on this option, security. As you tap onto it, you will see this option for ID verification. Here you have to upload the ID card that has been issued you by your government. Simply upload its picture or the camera will open. You have to scan it. If you verify that, your age will automatically get verified. You don't have to verify your age separately. It will be done with the ID verification. You have to get its premium version and after that you will be able to do it. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.